BabyTales.
Hey there, sweet art enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a world of sugary delight as we draw and color 3 adorable gummy bears. Get ready for a colorful and delicious art adventure. So, grab your art supplies and let's bring these gummy treats to life. Let's start by sketching out our 3 gummy bears. Picture their cute, squishy bodies and adorable faces. Keep the shapes simple, and playful gummy bears come in all sizes and colors. Now, let's add some fun details to our gummy bears. Draw in their eyes, noses, and mouths, and give them each a unique expression. Add little arms and legs to make them even more adorable. To add some color to our gummy bears. Choose vibrant hues, for their bodies may be red, blue, and orange, and don't forget to add a glossy shine to make them look extra delicious. you're happy with your coloring, add any final touches to your artwork. Maybe add some texture to their bodies to make them look more gummy-like, or add a colorful background to make them pop. And there you have it, 3 adorable gummy bears ready to sweeten up your day. We've turned our paper into a sugary paradise. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to subscribe for more fun and creative art tutorials. Until next time, happy drawing, happy coloring, and may your artistic adventures be as sweet as candy.